Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel How to My Apps. Today I will show you how to use Adobe Generated Fill AI to edit your photos without downloading or using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. To use the Adobe Generated Fill AI feature, you can easily visit the Adobe Firefly AI page and click the Generative button in the Generated Fill section. To get started with Adobe Firefly, click the Sign In button. You can continue with the Google account, or you can enter your manual email address. Now click Upload Image to upload your photo. Let's try using this Generative Fill AI to change the image background. To do that, click the Background button to remove the current background. Then describe what you want to generate in the prompt input. Click Generate to start. Adobe Firefly AI will provide you with the four options. To save your image, click the Download button in the top right corner. If you are not satisfied with the result, click the More button to generate new option. To finish your current edit, click the Keep button or click the Cancel button to create a new prompt. Now let's edit an object in the photo. In this tutorial, we will change the hot pant to a skirt or something else. To do that, click the Remove button on the left side and click the Settings. Click the Settings button to adjust the brush size. Now remove an object from the image. After that, click the Insert button and type your prompt for this generated fill command. Now let's add. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to support me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.